Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Quarter 4, Music and Arts 8, Lesson 3, Week 5 and 6 of DEPED MATATAG curriculum. Let's begin. Subtopic 2, Traditional Festivals and Cultural Celebrations in Asia. Developing and deepening understanding, explicitation. Matsuri, Japanese festivals. Nebuta Matsuri. How are giant lanterns made? Letter A. Decide on a theme. Letter B. Create a concept sketch. Letter C. Add color to the design. Letter D. Build the main float structure. Letter E. Construct smaller parts separately. Letter F. Assemble the framework. Letter G. Apply paper covering. Letter H. Draw facial details. Letter I. Apply paraffin wax patterns. Letter J. Paint the lantern. For further understanding, watch this video. How to make Nebuta Matsuri.
And then you can finish this guy, which is amazing. See, there are places here where there is no paper, so we can finish him. I chose this part because it's really high on the doll, and since I'm a tall person, it will be helpful.
Awa Odori. For further understanding, watch this video. Japan's 400-year-old summer dance festival, Awa Odori. Andong Mask Dance Festival. For further understanding, watch this video. Andong International Mask Dance Festival. Giant Lantern Festival.
In the heart of the Philippines, something magical happens
Giant
every
Lantern
December.
Festival in Pampanga.
It's the San Fernando Giant Lantern Festival, a celebration that ignites the holiday spirit like no other. Picture this: the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, comes alive with a dazzling array of giant parole lanterns. These lanterns
Developing and deepening understanding. Worked example. Activity: Lantern Festival comparison. Objectives. Instructions. Fill out the table. Extension activity. Watch
to
this
the
video.
Moriones,
Moriones
also known
Festival.
as Moriones, a legendary Lenten tradition held every Holy Week on the island of Marinduque. It's like stepping into a live-action reenactment of the Passion of Christ. These Moriones are decked out in costumes and masks that replicate the garb of imperial.
Guide questions. Developing and deepening understanding. Lesson activity. Activity: Mask Festival comparison. Objectives. Instructions. Comparison table. Conclusion. Making generalizations. Learners' takeaways. Making generalizations. Reflection on learning. Instructions. Guide questions. Evaluating learning. Formative assessment. Part 1. Multiple choice. Part 2. Fill in the blanks. That's all for today's video. Please stay tuned for more. God bless.